What's up, guys? Heading out to go ride. Got a little work done today, and then got hit up by the homie Matt. It's Moto Matt on Instagram and YouTube. Check him out. Super awesome videos, and yeah, great riding. Yeah, him and the homie Zay are going to be riding some local trails. So he gave me a shout this morning. Super stoked. Thanks for the call, and yeah, hyped to go ride with you guys and see what the local spots are all about. Woo, outside again. Here we go. Beautiful weather, beautiful day. Not sure where we're going. I was like, that looked like a trail.
Oh, brother! That's the fresh paint, dude. Oh, what? That sounded terrible. Nice, Willie. That thing was flying.
Oh no.
Deserve the paint, dude. Damn.
Yoo. Sweet. First little adventure of the ride. Getting through it.
How heavy is your bike?
I don't know. How much are these stock? Do you know how much they weigh?
I think it's 187.
Yeah, like 180 something.
It's pretty good, dude. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
I'll leave it.
Huh?
I'm gonna rip this on the China special right now.
All right, let's see it.
All right, you ready? Try to keep up.
We'll get you the follow cam footy. Got Zay out in front, kind of specialing it up for us. Little slippery. Woo-hoo-hoo! Almost got some mud from Zay right there. Absolutely ripping on that thing. Oh no. So sick. Dude, you're cooking on that thing.
You can't tell me not.
You don't make it look that heavy.
It's not. It doesn't feel that bad. I'm honestly surprised how well it's handling right now.
Dude, it hits those bumps surprisingly good.
What I usually ride, this is so different, but you can rip it. I mean, it feels fine to me. Ooh, go ahead, man.
Such a good day. Can't beat getting outside with the homies on a good afternoon. Sick trail riding today. You might have seen this trail a few times if you watch Moto Matt's YouTube channel and Zay's. This is their little cut line that they're always taking. Super fun. Techie. Uh-oh. Taking out the bushes. Oh, I need to take some air out of that front tire. Put a little too much in. Yeah. Getting up it, getting up it. Dude, coming up that looks way easier on your videos than it does when you look at it in person.
It's gnarlier right now.
Yeah.
It got worse.
That rut right there is pretty crazy coming up.
Yeah.
That rut
You
fucking
got that!
ate my ass, dude.
What happened?
That rut on the right side, right in the beginning, fucking just sucked me in.
Oh no, and then it was like right at the beginning of it.
Yeah.
Back after it, here we go. Got Moto Matt running in front of me on the new Arctic Leopard. This thing is a sick bike. Looks so fun. A little more nimble, good power. Woo! So much torque. So sick. Bye-bye. Woo, this is so cool. What a sick day. Feels amazing. The dirt feels amazing. Good homies out. Couple new bikes out. Everyone's on a different bike today, which is really cool. Everyone's usually on the same bike. We got an Ultra Bee, we got an Arctic Leopard, we got the thing that Zay's on. We got a light bee and some other weird bike that the friend won in a raffle. Ooh, right here, watch. Bop, bop. Corner. Oh, oh, the corner got me. Corner got me. No. Now I got a slippery grip. Woo. Oh, I got a slippery, dusty grip now. This is so fun. Oh. The rain ruts make it crazy. Ooh. Took a little one already. Try to get this cleaned off, man. Ooh. Ooh. Get tired. Wow, what an arm pump.
Dude, that was just torture. You guys can't keep up or what, dude?
I took myself out on one of the corners.
Oh shit, dude.
I like went over and I was like, that's not good.
All this rain smokes these trails. Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's kind of fun though, because it's like
It's like a massive rut.
yeah, you just have to rut the whole time.
I say, Matt, I run this to 15 and then I phase out. Then I stop.
Ah, now I know where we're kind of at.
Always. Chill.
Sweet.
That's the way, dude. Lead the way. We're gonna hit some whoops.
Let's see.
Lead into the track.
Oh no! Go check this thing out. Double, triple. Oh yeah, we're double tripling that for sure. Little double triple, here we go. Oh no.
Oh, the double triple.
Woo! That was super fun.
I want to film that.
That's pretty dope. Oh, dude, he ripped. It's fun. It's a cool little turn track. Except for like, I was coming through the whoops and I had to check up. I was like, oh no, all the water. Yo, yeah, go get the whoops. I was like, yeah, it's gonna be a great one. That was funny.
That was sick, dude. The triple in.
Yeah, it's fun.
I freaking jumped out in that puddle, dude.
Yeah, because you don't know until you get up in the air.
Yeah. And what are you gonna do? Take your feet off in the air?
Yeah, I did the same thing. I was like, oh. Yeah, the first one almost got me through the whoop section back there. I was like, gonna go, and then I like, oh yeah, puddles. Oh no.
Oh, shit. Mom.
It's pretty ruddy. Oh no. Just corner right through the mud.
Yeah, all the
Whoosh.
good corners are underwater. No, this one right here, dude. This is a perfect rut. Make this rut.
The outside rut?
Yeah, look at it. It's like there's no water in it. It just has one little pocket. It's not deep though. No, but it's so soft. You guys will just
Run
fill
it
that
in.
thing up and it'll be good. I say start a rut right here.
Oh no. Oh shit. Oh buddy.
That would have been me, dude.
My fucking grips are gonna be so nasty. Nope.
Pop this thing on the charger, let it get to 30%, and then I think I could make it home.
Ride it through the rain home.
20%. So I've burned 20 to get out and use it. We'll see how she ends up. You probably should have swapped bikes now.
Kept taking myself out today.
I mean, realistically, I thought it'd be fun.
Yeah, good seeing you, man.
Wish me luck.
Just give me a call if you need. If you're dipping out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we might have to do a little little recon later for Zay.
I'm gonna try to preserve as much as I can.
Yeah, just keep
You know
going
what?
that
Even if
speed.
it does die, the walking from that top of the hill down to your house is not even bad.
Yeah, just the uphill.
Exactly. I just need to get up the
You
hill.
have to abandon the bike.
I will gladly abandon this thing.
What's the battery at already?
He's at 20. Yeah.
Ooh, sick little track right here. Nice and rainy today. Found the moto track, getting some jumps. Yeah. That's fun. Ooh, try this one. What's that?
He's all, you got it. I'm like, I can't even see right now.
I know, maybe today's not the best day to try it, huh?
Well, I mean, falling probably doesn't hurt at all right now.
Yeah, you're gonna slide more than...
But I'll wait.
Yeah, you definitely don't have as much traction on your tires either though, when you land. That thing is fun. Fun little jump. Yoo-hoo! It's kind of cool.
Alright, well, you know the way.
Yeah, we're going to jumping house, or we got to get Garrett back?
Let's go to Jumping Mouse. Garrett's good. Yeah, right. That's crazy. Just don't hit it, Garrett. You're good.
Woo, got rained on. Back to the trails we go. What an awesome day so far. Such a sick trail ride. Got to hit some jumps. Sick little pit bike track. Under some trees. Oh no! Oh, that is so muddy. Oh, that was wild. Oh. Wow. What a view. Big thanks to Matt for hitting me up today, getting me out here. Whew, let's clean you guys up. Yeah, so sick. So stoked to be able to enjoy this with some good friends and catch a view like that. Can't beat it. You really can't beat getting out and gotten some rain. Got to jump some jumps. Got to have a great time, push some limits with some friends. Fell a couple times. Just being outside, you can't beat it. This is so sick. I love it out here. I love it out here. Where'd they go? Here we are. We got Eco Mode Central going on. Eee. Ripping.
Alright, brothers. What order? You going last?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'll be third. I want to watch you guys hit the jumps. And
You
I'll
want to
hit
go
it.
first or second?
I'll go first.
Alright, I'll follow.
Cool. Whoop. Ready? Let's do it. Jumping now. Oh no! This thing is fun. Oh no. Oh, it could have gone longer.
Jumped into a lake.
I know, that was so gnarly. Oh.
Dude, that puddle was massive.
What? I haven't even hit this line. That's fun. Stop. Little jumps are fun. Whoop. 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 So sick. That's a fun little one for sure. You.
Yeah.
Sick.
That was sick. Alright, should we run it back or just head back? It is getting dark.
Just head back.
Alright.
Whoa. Man, what a beautiful way to end the day. So glad I came out and rode with the homies. Perfect day with the perfect dirt. Got rained on, which has just made the experience that much better. Can't beat it when you're out here just enjoying the outdoors with some homies. Got to meet new friends at the same time. This is the homie Garret right here. Just met him for the first time today. Super stoked. Always meet new people, doing fun stuff. It's awesome. Look at that. Beautiful sunset while we're out here on the trail still. So sick. Doo-doo-doo.
Talking about ready.
The step up?
Oh yeah. Oh shit, you just hit me? No!
Damn! Dude, that was sick!
Watch out, going up, going up.
Yeah, now we all gotta go. That looks way too good.
Oh, fuck.
That's so sick.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's straight vert, dude. That's insane. Oh, that's gnarly.
We're basically just gonna take this trail all the way to Nutmeg.
Oh, is this the down that we go through all the way to the trees?
Yep, it's
Oh, this is
sick.
sick.
Yep.
Oh, I got a headlight though. I'll follow you.
Alright, you guys ready?
So hopefully it'll light something up in front of you.
Alright, brother.
There we go. This is a sick trail. Ooh, he's cooking. He's cooking. They don't call him Moto Matt for no reason. He's motoing. This is sick. So fun. Ew, slippery. Oh no. Woo!
What if we should wait so you guys don't get knocked out?
Danger, huh? Yeah.
It's got straight moss on it.
Woo, that's dangerous. Slow down.
Look at that!
Woo. You.
That'll take somebody out. Are we going up there?
You,
Yes, sir.
you don't have to.
I mean, it looks super fun and I would, but I'm just gonna conserve. Oh! Okay. Dude, this spot's sick.
This is awesome, huh? Oh. Oh.
Oh, maniac!
Ow.
Yeah, that hurt me. I just rolled off.
Well, I was like, should I just roll it? I'm like, I don't know.
Now I'm gonna jump into the wall.
That seemed like a better option in my head.
Have confidence, Matt. You got it.
This is one of my favorite trails right here. So sick. I'm so stoked we came down here, Matt.
This is one of the best trails.
So fun. Dude, all the way through here.
Yeah!
Oh, I missed it.
Heck yeah!
Sick.
I was afraid of sliding out right at the top.
Dude, it's so wet up there.
Yeah.
Damn.
Hell yeah. All right, we're back. Little battery mishap. We're good to go. We got one bike down though. Yeah, now we can get a little push maybe on the way down the hill. Get you up to speed. Got it? Yeah, come my way just a little bit. Push mode locked in. Look at that style. Speed limit push, baby. That was some of the fastest pushing that I've seen. Yeah, we got, he's back. No way. Awesome day. Thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten this far, this is the end of the video. We got Moto Matt pushing the homie Garret up here. What a fun day. Little adventure to end it. Got rained on. We jumped some jumps. We hit some turn tracks. Look at those guys. Nothing but love.